Bob Marley's birthday today. I'm just gonna talk like I talk to my guy friends, which is how I normally talk.
Guys.
Muse on WPGU 1071. So today is Bob Marley's birthday. Happy birthday, Bob. And when he was little, he liked to scare people by reading their palms and predicting their futures correctly. I downloaded a palm reading app once and it told me I was going to have an extramarital affair. Some people get like really offended, but like most of the time I get a pretty good response.
We are the #1 rock station, like, in the area. #1.
Yeah, I should have fixed that out. So you go to add, and then you can't add it. Oh, what if you make a new one?